welcome again to this channel, Life with Jennifer JM, and I am your girl, Auntie Jen. I hope you all doing fine. I hope you all in the best of health. And again, I want to use this medium to say thanks to each and every one of you who keep coming back to my channel. So this same thing with the DPP and the whole thing, my people, and Mr. Delroy Chuck is still persistent. He's saying that he's sure that when they appeal the case, that they will win the case. But there are some lawyers cautioning Mr. Delroy Chuck and telling him that it is a great risk to have the DPP still exercising power after ruling could be dangerous. One legal expert in Jamaica are warning the government. He said it's a dangerous and a great risk for the country chief prosecutor to continue to exercise the power of her office following the ruling by the Constitutional Court on Friday. A top legal expert has warned, Mr. Chuck, you have been warned. The Jamaican Constitution gives the office of the Director of Public Prosecution the sole legal authority to commence and discontinue criminal case before the court. Then, Mr. Justice Minister, are you saying that the other of your colleagues know the law different from you? Because you are saying that it will be business as usual, and here they are warning you. What is it? And as in the previous video I was talking about, KD Knight was talking about it. What is it? What is it that what is it? What is there? What is there? Or what is it? What is it? So, confusion shoved Paula Lowland's status as Director of Public Prosecution, with the government insisting that there is no order in place for her to demit office. So while the opposition contends that the post is vacant arising from the ruling of the court, the full court panel of 3 judges ruled that an amendment to the Constitution last July raising the retirement age to 65 was valid, but struck down a provision that allowed Lewin to choose to continue as unconstitutional. I love that word. And it become null and void. The reason for that is that within the context of how it should work, there's nothing wrong about them extending the age to 65. But in order for this DPP to continue, because she already reached the age at 60 where she was given an extension, so that's why the government got extend it for the trying to make it look by the Auditor General and the DPP to up to 65. And what they are saying now is that the DPP reapply back for the extension of the 2 year, so they give her the 2 year that will take her up to 65. But what they are missing is that by right they can't do that because she already passed the age. And moreover again, in order for that to even be, they would have to consult with the leader of the opposition side, and they come to a consensus and say, all right, because remember, the DPP should not be political. The DPP must function in a capacity of neutrality. She must be neutral. But right now, If I was in Miss Paula Lowland situation, and you may say to me that you don't know the half of the story, so you can't sit down there and go assume what you want to assume. But my viewers and my friends and everybody, if everything is just normal work ethics and normal everything, and with this now, there's always going to be a cloud over the DPP, if you understand my reason. So I think if for good governance and the government part, and also Miss Lowland as a person, if it's about the country we really are dealing with, and it's not by personal affiliation or personal motive or agendas, it shouldn't be hard to say, well, you know, I think I am just going to call it quit. For from what I'm seeing on social media, most of the people not with you, Miss Lowland, they're saying you to go. That's what they're saying. I am not telling you that though. But, and for the government's sake, the problem the government have is not because they won't be able to assign who they want to assign into the role. It's going to be that whoever is there will have the opportunity to apply, knowingly that right up in the DPP office, she not been loved by everybody neither. She not been loved by everybody neither. So anything when did the way she do when her right, it will come to light. So it is more than just what the court said. There is more to the story, my viewers and my friends and my subscribers. And it is such an embarrassment. Looking on from outside, that we have reached to this situation that comes Monday morning, we're not sure. We just have to watch now to see if she will continue. And if she continue, we want to see what will be the reaction of the Jamaica people. We really want to see. But this is really getting from bad to worse. When you see other persons of the law, lawyers and all of those who have understanding of the law, is cautioning Mr. Delroy Chuck, I could just say cautioning the government that they are treading on slippery ground by the ruling of the court. And I would prefer if they would, I don't know what they're going to do tomorrow, but I think Miss Lowland should never put on her clothes and go into that office until they hear something from the Court of Appeal. And that's what is my view. I want to hear from you people. Know that they are warning Mr. Chuck not to do it. What is your view on it? Whether you're JLP or you're PNP, let's see Jamaica. Let's see what going on. Some of the things that happen right now when I look at a clip, I don't really want to say much about it. Because you know, in them something you don't really want to say much about it. But when I look in Spanish Town, I see what happened. I'm a shit, mate. And at first it happened, you know. At something where it happened over and over and over and over. And I just look on it and I say, this is the prosperity we are talking about. We now evolve. We now change. When you look, not only that with the whole incident, right, when you look out on the ground and see the mess and the garbage and listen, my man, Lord have mercy. Listen, my man, Jamaica need a reset. People, we country need a reset. We country need a reset. It can't continue. And honestly, we need government where we just seriously take crime. Seriously. It can't happen, you know. Now go happen overnight, but we have to get some serious measure put in place. It can't continue. You can't continue, man. All the way I going can't continue, my people. It grieves me, man. It grieves me if you see what happened. The island is so nice by God's creation, but we mess it up, man. And if we don't want to cast no doubt on my country, but if we continue the way we are continuing, we're going to end up worse than 80. So, my viewers and my subscribers, make we continue the conversation and tell me one thing. Should Mr. Delroy Chuck listen to what the other legal advisors are saying, or he should persist And should Miss Paula lulling, just keep it cool and low and see what is happening before anything. Just take some of the little bad blame off of the country, because everybody talk about it, far and near. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, share the video, man. And the conversation continue. And I'm your girl, Auntie Jen. I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.